Good morning, everyone. We're here at Green Valley Lake. Came here to camp. We were supposed to go to Big Bear, but plans changed, and we ended up at this spot here. Pretty nice spot. The only problem is just too many flies. Way too many flies. These flies are definitely not shy at all. But yeah, this is my rooftop tent. Overland vehicle systems. It's pretty decent. The only issue I got with it is how long it takes to set up. But it's a decent size. Got my EcoFlow solar panel. Just finished up making breakfast. This is my setup. What do you want to say?
I wish there wasn't a lot of flies or mosquitoes, but overall it's a good spot.
Yeah, it's a really nice spot, but damn, like I said, these flies, not shy at all. Satan. Boy. Hey, boy.
It's daddy, huh? What is daddy? It's a puppy.
Satan.
It's a puppy.
Hey, boy. How you like camp? You liking camp? No? Yes? It's okay.
I think he's okay with it. He's okay. Ready for more?
More agua?
Satan. He's the star of the show?
The main character.
I know. You got 3 people pushing you around.
I mean, it's comfortable.
I know. It's weird because he doesn't like laying down, like ever. Go in, babe.
I'm gonna grab the touch baby.
Okay.
¿Sí? Yo aquí hay diferentes tipos de woodpeckers right there.
Where? See? Oh, I see.
Todo kinds. Hay uno como más rojo, otro más... Fíjate el niño.
What about him?
O que las moscas.
Oh.
Hay unas que se paran y no, no se mueven. Las grandotas. Ay, hermano.
Yeah, I know. Relax. Boy, we're going on our walk.
El GPS que el Garmin shows that you can go this way or that way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You good, boy? Oh.
Ants too, huh?
Ants?
La roja, es grande.
Where?
Ahí está unido ahorita.
Wow.
You see it?
No. Well, I see something moving out.
Yeah, a little nest.
Boy. You want to hang out?
Yeah, I'm good right now.
Okay.
Let me know how we're gonna tell you.
Okay.
I have this little seat right here.
Oh, perfect, huh? Oh, nice.
Okay, boy.
Es más fácil.
How you feeling?
That's what
How you
need.
feeling,
That's
boy?
why those guys, they have distance.
How you feeling? Good? Look, I told them this is a loop, and they don't believe me. My campsite is literally behind me. I just heard my dad say, Harbin was right. You see? I'm gonna film their walk of shame. If they come back to this way. They're just pretending, I don't know. Where are they? Here they come. Walk of shame. So what happened? What happened?
Huh?
The walk of shame?
Well, I was right when I was at the loop.
I told you it was a loop.
Walk of shame?
But we didn't walk here.
The walk of shame?
Do we walk here?
Yes.
Wow.
Look,
We did not.
I literally told them it's a circle. And they don't believe me. So they walk for no reason.
There was a tree there.
No, there's no tree.
Okay.
I told you. When we were passing by, I literally told you. I was like, oh, maybe we could go camp there.
Uh-huh.
And you said, no, there's not that many trees.
Well, we're just gonna go back the faster we can. Yeah, no, I remember when the Harvey said that.
Oh.
This is why I'm the leader here.
Because I remember, and Harvey was right, Kellen is cooking.
Yeah, you see?
Because at least I'm saying he's right there. Allá está el stupid car, bro.
I told you. So now you guys are cooking while I relax with my son.
No, porque I still
In
remember
the
at least.
sun?
With my son.
Oh,
And you guys are cooking. In the sun.
no way. Your dad and I are gonna leave.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Pollo Loco.
Yeah, right.
Agarras un cuarto tuyo, otro cuarto allá. Y le quedamos en el hotel.
I know.
If you want, we can do that. And I think one night, that's be perfect. And then when matamos, ¿cómo se llama? Un dos pájaros de un solo.
Down there.
Acampamos and
We stay.
we stay in the hotel the same day. I mean, the same trip.
Do you work Monday?
Huh?
Do you work Monday?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
You work Monday?
Oh, no, not this Monday.
There we go. We stay till Monday.
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
Pero lo que pasa es 2 días en el hotel, no sé cuánto vale.
No, I'm saying we stay here tonight and then.
No, we stay if you guys don't want to go to the hotel. That's what I'm
But we
saying.
didn't bring enough food for Monday.
No, I said we stay here tonight. And then tomorrow morning we go get a hotel.
Oh, okay.
And then we leave Monday morning.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe it's too much on that.
Well, 2 days too much. Te digo, solo quedamos hoy y en la mañana nos vamos.
And then we sleep and then
I
leave
mean,
Monday.
we're not leaving in the morning.
Alright, we're cutting our camping trip short. These flies were, man, these things are intense. 3 flies got in my eyes. Like, and they just wanted to hang out in there. It was intense. We had to leave. So I think we're gonna, I don't know, maybe get a hotel, stay for the night, hang out, explore Big Bear for a little while, and then tomorrow hang around at the lake. So I think we'll continue this little adventure a little later. But before we leave here, I wanted to know if any of you guys know anything to like repel flies, mosquitoes. We have like bug spray, but it didn't do nothing. But if there's any tips or tricks you guys know when you guys go camping, please leave a comment under. I would really appreciate knowing for next time. Thank you guys. Man, these birds are like crazy over this house. I would hate living here. Or maybe it's a vacant. Our camping trip did not go as planned, but we stayed there one night. We got there in the afternoon. It was fine. Maybe it's just some mosquitoes in the nighttime. But in the morning we woke up, it was okay for a couple hours, you know, flies here and there, like normal when you go camping. But then after that, man, just like a huge storm of flies and mosquitoes just came towards us. And it was like non-stop in our faces and our legs. It was horrible. But we had to call it quits because our son, all these flies were getting in his eyes, even my eyes. It was just intense. So we were gonna pack up and leave home, but my dad came up with an idea just to go to spend the night at a hotel. But it ended up being a good idea because, you know, we spent the day at the hotel, and then the nighttime we went to have dinner, which was pretty nice. It was a nice night.
And we had yummy food. It was really good. It was our first time having like late dinner with our boy, and he was exhausted, but I think he enjoyed having a good dinner. And then he fell asleep so fast. In the morning we just went out for coffee, and that was like, we went for a walk to get some coffee, and that was good. It was nice, relaxing morning. But yeah, I wish we would have been able to camp because it was a good spot and a lot of trees, and it was really shady. But because of the flies, you know, that sucked. So hopefully next time we come to that same spot, but during winter time, and it'll just be, I hope it'll be a better experience. That's all I have to say.
Maybe not winter time, but fall time. Because winter time, it snows up here, but definitely get this spot again. But it's weird because we camped at that spot before, around the same time, and it was like no bugs at all. Maybe like a couple flies, couple mosquitoes, but it wasn't this bad. This was way too intense for us. But it ended up being a a good little vacation for us. I feel like we definitely needed that. It felt like a little stress reliever, felt like a weight off our backs. But it's nice. Now we're headed back home. So I think this is gonna be it. And I know it wasn't really a camping video, but hopefully you guys still enjoy watching this video, and I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.